Today we're going to make this adorable Safari Balloon Centerpiece. I'm using this balloon stand today that has a fillable base. I fill it with water and then put the plug back in. I started using my glue gun to glue the plug into place. Before I started using this, I found that it leaked, which made it difficult to transport. This balloon centerpiece is made with 34 5-inch balloons. If you like this video and you find it helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe. First I take 5-inch balloons and I blow them to 4.5 inches. This makes the bottom layer. Combine these ones together, then take 2 of the balloons and wrap it around the pole to secure it in place. The next layer is made up of 5 balloons blown to 4 inches. Twist the balloons together and wrap 2 around the pole to secure this layer. Now we take 12 balloons blown to 4.5 inches and make duplets. Continue to add each new duplet to the one before until all 12 balloons are intertwined. This makes our balloon center. Now it's time to attach the garland and our little giraffe stuffy. I use small clear elastics to attach the giraffe. Slide the elastic down the pole and wrap around the giraffe's leg. Next, I use another elastic to attach his arm to the pole. Wrap the garland around the pole and secure in place with some tape. time to add the balloon center to the pole. You can secure it in place with a couple of glue dots if you want. Next, take the remaining 12 balloons to make accent balloons. Take 2 balloons and blow them to 3 inches. Tie them close to the nozzle to make sure the balloons have a gap between them. This will allow you to wrap them around the larger balloons. Wrap all 6 clusters around the center balloons to fill in gaps and spaces. Now we just need to add some accent leaves. And that's it, we're finished our centerpiece. Remember, if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.